YouTube friends. Anyway, so today I am moving. Oh, why did I walk into the darkness? I'm vlogging today and I just remembered, and it's like probably about 12 already. Oh, that smells nice, that cream. It reminds me of holidays. The time is 12:07 and I'm moving, yeah! So we have a van outside. Sam's at work this morning, but he said he might be finishing soon, which is cool. We have a van outside, it's got a lifty thing on the back, so we don't have to keep lifting things into the van and stuff. And then like they have all this stuff here. It's like also empty. And yeah, I'll show you the living room. I don't think you actually really saw this place, but...
Well, she got me.
Yeah, but yeah, so it's all looking empty. But yeah, this is where I used to live, and then there's another door there. But yeah, so I'm super excited. It's not even that, it's just from show week. But yeah, and then yeah, it's literally like a 2-minute drive, like up the road, but it's so much nicer, and it's like there's well, so far we know there's nothing wrong with it, and there's lots of we've had lots of problems here, like mold and like damp and mold, and no hot water, and holes in ceilings and stuff, and all sorts of things that never got done. But yeah, so we're getting there. And yeah, so that's you can kind of see Jay in the van's outside, but and then in here is empty schmempty. Yeah. Apart from a few of Sam's things, but yeah. So round the corner I go. I show you like empty, like flat tour from where I'm coming from, and then this is like the one we're coming from. Mum's over there. It's kind of a bit blurry, but
you got anything I can stand on?
Yeah. And then all the way down here, and this is our huge bedroom that we had. Actually, you recognise these walls because it'll be in the front room. Yeah, you'll recognise the walls because this is where I did my filming, and there's my ring light and stuff. But yeah, it's all empty and stuff. But yeah, this room I'll probably miss most, if I miss any of it, because the room is so big. Like, yeah, I don't even know if you can tell how big it is, but yeah. So saying goodbye and packing things and stuff. So that's so far. And yeah, so it's hard for me because I kind of just feel like a lost part sometimes.
Sorry, could you just make sure there's nothing that's going to spill in the fridge?
Yeah.
The freezer can leave stuff in there, but the fridge stuff, you might have to take a load of stuff out.
Okay.
Right? They want to move it.
Sorting the fridge out now, so I'm going to have to go. But yeah, I can't really feel like a lost part at the moment because I can't really carry heavy things and stuff. But anyway, yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Hey everyone, so it's now like, actually I don't even know what the time is. Let me have a look. The time is, oh, nearly 5 o'clock. Apologies, I haven't really videoed much, but as you can see, me in my new place. It's awesome. Love it so much. But yeah, so this room is the, like the endest, that's not even a word, but this is like the second or spare bedroom or second bedroom. Sam's son will be in here mostly. No one, I'm vlogging.
Oh.
But yeah, so we have the van down there. They're unloading things. But yeah, so this is the second bedroom. So this is it from the other side. Nice carpet, and then we have this wall literally at the end, and on the other side is just literally a little utility cupboard. But yeah, so if I just turn around, you can see literally everything from what it is. So obviously the front door, I thought I'd give you, well, it was empty, it's pretty much empty still as you can see, but an empty apartment tour basically. So yeah, so then next to that is literally in the middle of cleaning. So this is the I might just, you know, turn it down because yeah. But yeah, so this is the bathroom. It's quite a nice size. Hopefully going to put something here. And then, yeah, so like nice big and spacey, but it's all clean. Actually, I'm in the middle of clean, you can see. But yeah, it smells so good in here. And we come back out again. So that was the second bedroom and the little utility spares. So we'll walk down the hallway, and then the next door is the kitchen, which just the men have just put in the washing machine. It fits just about, you know, snug in there, and all that. And Mum's cleaning.
I think it's my life's work. It was out.
But yeah, because it's been literally sitting for about well, yeah, a few months, because the lady that bought it, she only had it for 6 weeks, and that was about a month ago when we saw it. And yeah, so we don't know how long it had been sitting idle for before then, but yeah, so the kitchen, we come back out again, and then we'll see the other bedroom. I prefer the other bedroom, but we're going to sort this one out. It needs to repaint, and this wallpaper is really bad. But yeah, this is literally got all our stuff in. But yeah, and that mirror is already there, but we're going to get rid of it. But yeah, so that's the second bedroom, and then literally next door is the living room, and this wallpaper is so nice, so that's staying, and it's not like really bad either. So yeah, this is the living room, and we'll probably definitely paint this wall a different colour, because it's like a weird mauvey purpley colour, which it looks really nice with the cream, but it just doesn't go with the wallpaper because it's brown and beige. So yeah, but we're obviously yet to sort this out. So yeah, and then the hallway. But yeah, so this is what it looks like from the entrance. Yeah, so super excited, and I'm gonna stand in the back bedroom again because it's the brightest in here, and that's an airy and bright. So yeah, that is the I'll put you here. Ah, perfect. You can see the lovely ceiling and the light switch. But anywho, so yeah, there is my kind of empty boxes, things everywhere apartment tour, and yeah, and we're super excited to sort things out. Afterwards, in the next hour or hour and a half, we're gonna stop and kind of like cool down a bit, I guess, because it's my parents' 35th, I think, yeah, wedding anniversary on Monday, and we're all gonna go out to dinner. Yes, literally everything is in what's it called, is in suitcases and boxes and stuff, so I doubt we'll have anything to change into. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. I think we was going to go somewhere fancy, but because of like moving and stuff, we're literally just going to go to the Harvester, but it should be really good, and I love Harvester. It's literally my favourite place to eat, so looking forward to it. And yeah, I'll bring you along and stuff, and all the good fun stuff. But yeah, you'll definitely see more like videos and stuff. I say stuff a lot, and stuff. Anyway, but yeah, so that's all for now, folks, and I'll see yous in a bit. Bye! Hey guys! I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah, so we are at Harvester. I didn't like vlog on the way because me and Sam were chatting and really tired and stuff. So yeah, so a bunch of us have eaten starters. Me and Sam just had salad, but we're waiting for mains, and I can't wait because we're so hungry. But yeah. This is what I have. I did have that leafy stuff on here, but I took it off because I don't want it. Sam has not, what is it? Mixed grill, that's the one.
Mixed grill.
Yeah, and then there's stuff everywhere. So good. Hey vlog peeps. Anyway, yeah, like as you can probably tell, I'm so tired. It's been a long day and it's been a lot of work. And yeah, so there's still things like everywhere, as you can imagine. But this is a kind of background you recognise. Well, not the wallpaper, but the bed. So we have the bed up, so yay, we can sleep in a bed rather than just on a mattress. Yeah, and it's coming together slowly. Yeah, literally, I'm going to bed now. And yeah, harvester was really good. It was good to catch up with my grandparents because I haven't seen them in a while. And yeah.
I'm just gonna go out front.
Okay. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Catching him off guard. Yeah, so
What did you just say?
catching you off guard. You're like, bye. But yeah, so I am gonna go sleep because I'm budged.
Oh, yeah.
And are you heckling now?
No, I'll leave it.
It's all good fun, it's all good fun. But yeah, and yeah, it's probably true. We've been really repetitive, like this last bit. But anyway, Sam's just staying up to do a few more bits and try and set some TV stuff up. But yeah, and then we're gonna go sleep. I'm gonna go sleep now. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy this vlog. I don't know how long it's gonna be or how interesting it's gonna be, but I just, you know, I'll look at it on the computer and see what's good and stuff, and if you end up seeing it, then cool. But yeah, I just like literally kind of was like, I'm gonna vlog, and then I kind of completely forgot, and then I was like, oh, let me vlog now. So yeah, yeah, my moving day. I'm gonna shut up now because it's boring. So I will see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and social media links are in the description box as always. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.